This is a long time no see. I got new toys. First one is Uno. We already got. This is our first Uno collection. Asa ang Uno?
Flip. It's
Yeah.
called Uno Flip.
Where is
But
it?
we got the original now.
The
Uno.
original.
Next, tic-tac-toe.
Later on.
It's been fun to play this.
Tic-tac-toe.
And this one.
It can move. Yes, it's on social media.
It doesn't work so well.
Yeah.
I think it's a little scam, but it still moves when you touch it.
Yeah. You can
We
check
had
it.
to still master it.
I
So let's
think
go
I
play.
mastered it.
Let's go play this game called Fight. Called whoever goes there wins. In 3, 2,
1, go.
go. Oh, I had it start. Oh man, I am useless.
No, sword again. Jonas stings. I'm getting there.
I'm getting there. Switch.
Oh, wrong side.
I'm going to get there. Oh, I did it! I did it! Next Uno.
We don't know how to play Uno. Jonas knows how to play Uno. But I want tic-tac-toe.
No, let's go play Uno.
I am playing Blockman Go.
Bro,
And
can you open?
Jonas playing Roblox.
No one understands about Blockman Go. That's not genuine.
Later on, when Jonas opened this.
It's
Now
opened.
it's Uno time.
We already done shuffled it.
I don't think that's how Uno thinks.
How many you want? 10?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ay.
Apin ko. 5.
What's this? What's the
6,
zero?
7. It's a 0.
Oh, this is a zero.
Wait, why it's all... Is this all green? Apin ko uno.
Oh.
It's all colored, ma. We had to shuffle it. Mag-shuffle
Okay.
sa cham. Here.
This is our other friend, Cham Cham.
1, 2,
1.
3. 1,
Oh.
2, 3. You punch it. 3.
Let's wait until it ends.
1.
Go. Hala, plus 2, Joseph. Joseph, plus 2 na ka.
Ay, mo lose na ko.
Di man ka. Nakay blue. So,
Ipa-match ang colors. Ipa-match og numbers 2. 3. 8.
ay,
Ya, unor mi ya. Unor. 1. Ay, wala pa move si Jonas.
hoy, mag-move man ka.
1. 8 ko.
1. Yan.
Yellow ako. 7.
Hoy,
Hoy.
ipaparehas ang number or ang color.
Lulo ko yellow.
So, ang number na lang
Ano ba
ipaparehas.
Jonas, ikaw na pod. Ikaw pa man. Wala pa man ka. Ay, Jonas na pod.
Hoy, ikaw na pod.
Wala si ko. Wala yung number.
0 man na. Skip.
I skip. So Jonas, napod kay Cham Cham.
Hoy, ikaw na pod.
Hoy, anang skip kay anang skip. Anak.
Dili man.
Hoy,
Ah,
remember.
ikaw una siya next. Ako last. So ako last, Cham ipa-skip. Ikaw na.
Okay.
Ikaw buot.
Zero. Ako na. Green na sa green.
Zero.
Plus 2.
Hoy! Waman ka! Hoy, waman ka! God.
Wala ko yellow.
So,
Wala ko yellow.
halat sa ipana sa ako ang cards.
Lagi po yellow.
Huh? Joseph moved a tree, so we're going to have a tree. Do we have a tree? Joseph turn! I mean, Cham turn.
Tadya! Uy, ikaw man!
Cham!
Ikaw man!
Hoy! Hapit kuha ang card, which means that's a move.
Cham! Cham! Cham!
Cham!
Ikaw na po.
Oh no.
Wala ko yellow.
Oh.
Pwede po different. Hapit na ang kay number 3 but lain color pwede.
Oh!
Dali man na! Dali man na! Pwede. Ipa-match ang 3. Hapit na kay green 3. Okay lang na. Anang green 3. Comment kasi ay! Hindi na dyan ka awa. Yes!
Reverse Cham na pod.
Pwede green.
Ha?
Pwede na. Pwede na. Pwede.
Opo, pwede. Joseph!
Ikaw man!
Oy!
Anong clockwise? Ikaw na po.
Plus 2 po yan.
Ako na po.
Oh, ako got the lucky cards. I got a reverse and I got this one. Si Cham na anay duha ka
Uy,
cards.
Ako man! Ako man! Clockwise man na.
Ay, reverse man kagamiton last time.
Uy, kani ako ah. Ako.
Hoy, I don't pick a reverse.
Ano man ta? Ako sa...
Ay,
Mabutang na ko. Mabutang na ko.
si Cham butang og reverse. So ang clockwise equals backwards na ang clockwise na.
Lucky. Sumali.
Oh. Si Joseph na po move.
Wala pa man.
Hindi man ka kabalo og uno. That's why nag-landing ka.
Wala ko red.
Cham na po.
Get. Wala. Yeah, play ko red.
Unsa mo hang move?
Yeah, ikaw. Ilan ka. Cham na po.
Cham na po. Ikaw na po. Ay. Ikaw na po.
Dali man.
Ikaw man dili kabalo.
Dili na lang ko dula. Ako na lang be. Ambil na lang na be.
Okay, the video is